Checking our oil level is a very basic check. We should always use our dipstick to see how much oil is within our engine before adding oil to the engine. Dipsticks can be identified by a bright colour, typically yellow. This is a manufacturer's trademark that they put to identify things that can be checked under the bonnet. Remove the dipstick, make sure this is wiped with a clean rag, then reinsert it into the engine to get a specific oil level. We pull the dipstick back out to read this level. Once we have determined whether or not the engine requires oil, we can then remove the filler cap, identified sometimes by a bright colour also, but sometimes in black. It will be noted on the top of the cap that it is an oil cap. It is suggested that we use a funnel, using small amounts of oil at a time and rechecking the oil level through the dipstick. It is easier to add a small amount of oil and recheck. We must wait between rechecking of oil for the oil to run down into the sump where the oil is held. This is how we get a genuine reading on our dipstick. Continually checking and filling until we reach a desired outcome of the oil to be on the full mark of the dipstick.
RAC, for the better.